How would you like a strategy where we earn money online by just watching videos? This method is 100% free, and you don't need to worry if you're from outside the United States because this is available worldwide. What we'll need to do is get our mobile phones, watch a couple of short videos, and get paid via PayPal and other payment methods. If you watch one video, you can earn up to $3. Make that 20 videos, then you'll earn 60. And if you can watch 200 videos per day, then you can earn up to $600. If you don't have prior skills or experience, you don't have to worry because this method is beginner friendly. So I'll be telling you what videos to watch for us to earn money easily. So please stay with me and don't skip any part of this video because somewhere in this video, somewhere in here, I will be sharing you a very important tip which will help us earn double or triple. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now, let's get back to the video. Whenever we watch a video like this, we will earn money. This website will reward us for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Aside from that, if we sign up for this website, we automatically get a $1 bonus. The website which we will be using today is over at gg2u.org. Again, that's gg2u.org. Their new rewards program will give us GG2U coins for doing very easy things like trying out new games and answering quick survey questions. You can choose to be paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. Among these payment methods, I suggest you choose PayPal. You can choose Bitcoin or gift cards, but I choose PayPal because this can help us in a lot of ways, especially in purchasing online. So you can take surveys or play games with this and earn points, but today we will be focusing on watching videos because it is the simplest way here to earn money online. And almost all of us watch videos every day, so this is completely normal for us. Of course, in order to get started, we should create an account. So this right here, you should sign up here and put in your first name, your email address, choose a username, choose your password, and then when you click on this drop down arrow here in the country, you will see that there are a lot of countries available here because once again, this is worldwide. So most likely you will find your country. But if you don't, well, that's kinda unlucky. That said, I want you to comment down below which country you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that will work in your country. After that, you need to tick this box where you have to agree to the privacy policy and membership agreement of gg2u.org. Alright, so here on the next page, their surveys and offer rolls will usually give you among the best payout rates in the entire industry. So they give out 65% to 85%, whereas most of GG2U's competitors, which are similar websites, only pass along 40% to 60% to their members. So this is a great opportunity for all of us. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this page here. As you can see, this website will credit you $1 for every 100 coins you earn. Once you reach $7, you can request a payout for your PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin email address. You can also claim e-gift cards right here. On the next page, you can start earning money right away. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. With that said, let's go back to the video. Now let's proceed to the next step. To continue, click on this button right here, then you will proceed to log in with your account. Once you're logged in with your account, this is what you will see. If you look here at the bar above, they have given me $1 for signing up. And if you look here below, these are the offers this website has for you. These are big and some of the best companies in the world, so this is legit. You can do these offers and earn a lot of money, but that is not the purpose of this video. What we're here to do is watch videos so that we will earn money easily. Also, I would like to inform you that these offers come at a limited time. So if you're here and if you want to make more money other than just watching videos, then you can do these offers right away so that you won't miss out on the opportunity. Now, for us to watch videos, we need to click on this section right here which says videos. You will then land on this page right here. For every 200 video points you earn, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. What I love about this is that you can watch different genres of videos. For example, we have food, sweets, music, celebrity, gaming, and so much more. What you're going to do next is click on this button right here so you can pick whatever you want, but for me, let me try and pick this one right here. This will then redirect me to their website where their video is found. What we'll need to do is stay on this page for at least 30 seconds and then the points will start generating to your account. Now, I will be sharing the secret tip which I've been meaning to tell you. This tip will help us earn double or triple. You can watch multiple videos at the same time so that the points will keep on rolling into your account and it'll be faster for you to generate the points. So, what we'll need to do is open these on different tabs or windows if you're using a computer. If you have multiple devices at home, then that's better so that you can watch more videos at the same time. While you're watching on your mobile phone, you can watch also on your computer or your laptop, or if you have an iPad or other gadgets which can stream videos. You just have to log into your account and then play them videos right away, and then for sure, you will earn more money. That's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.